Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by inviting Pingcord to your server and giving it manage server and send messages so it can create channels and ping roles. Once invited, create a dedicated ping channel and a ping role that members can opt into. Make sure everyone cannot post there to keep pings tidy. You should then check or set the bot prefix immediately with the /prefix command or in the web dashboard so your first commands run without errors. Next, configure how pings behave so they scale with your community. Use the /creator role command or dashboard tools to make opt-in roles for different alerts. This avoids mass mentions. Once roles exist, position the bot role above those roles so it can assign them, and lock channel permissions so only designated channels allow ping commands. Finally, set cooldowns and mention limits to prevent spam and tune allowed roles so moderators keep control. Finish by testing every command using a normal member account. Confirm that joining, leaving, and manual pings assign or remove roles correctly. Once tests pass, set up scheduled pings or webhook integrations for recurring alerts and enable logging so you track actions. If something breaks, make sure the bot role is above target roles, inspect channel permission overwrites, and consult the bot logs for errors. This single check usually resolves most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.